Can I design a professional logo using my phone? In this video, I'll be using my phone to design a professional logo, and you can be the judge. What you just need to do is to comment. As I said earlier, we'll be using my phone to design a logo, which is currently my camera, but we are going to also be using this app called Vector Motion. More on that later, and let's get straight into the designing aspects. This is currently how it looks, and these are all the projects I've done so far. So we are going to click on this button right here to create a new file, and we're going to choose 1920 by 1080 pixel. Click on it, and then this is how we can type in the name. We change it the name, we give it systematic, and then we create it. So this is how it looks like when you have created a new project. I recently made it that I sketch out the logo, and we are going to just design the logo in the phone. So I already have the idea of the logo, and as you can see it, these are the sketches I made out for it, and I finally settled on this. So let's get designing, and I think all of them are boxes. So we need to create shapes, and this is where we can go to the shape. So we have our shape, and then let's create. We need a perfect box. So you can also round the edges, as you can see, but first let's give it a black color. So, and check the size to be exactly a square. So we copy this and paste it in here and close it. So go back to this. Since we have this, let's duplicate it, copy, paste, zoom in, and then fit it. Okay, so we are going to highlight this and duplicate it. This forms the S of the systematic. As you can see, this forms the S. Fix it. So we come to the corners, smooth the corners. $52. Okay, this is it. Then we have to merge it. Click on the direct selection tool. Okay, and we have to now reduce the size to this. So align it to the center, and then to now type the text in systematic. So click on the plus icon, go to text, and type in systematic. Systematic. Okay, increase, and let's look for a font that will match this icon here. Let's look for a font that will match this icon. Go to the properties, style, you will see fonts. I think I will go with this Horin. I think I will go with it because of this eye that has the shape of this, that has this box shape. So I think I will go with it. What I need to do now is to increase it. So increase the size, and then highlight both, then give it the same color this is. So we can also create another scene. So this is how it looks like. We have created what we needed. So what are your thoughts on the logo design? Was it professional or not? If you are curious on knowing this app I use and design this logo design, the name is called Vector Motion. And if you are also curious on learning it, you can check out my playlist. Yes, I made a playlist from the introduction to where you can start animating using this app. So it's linked in the first link in the description where you can find it out there, and also you can check out my channel where you can also see there in the playlist button. If you have any question about it, you can comment or pin them in the comment section where I'll be checking around there to see you and to answer your questions. Alright, like and share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I'm Frank, and I will see you in the next video. Shalom.